Okay, dear. I was talking about this business transaction. Cash received from Ram rupees 10,000. And I was telling the first of all, in each and every business, we are going to record this transaction in journal entries format. How to do? Let us see. So I was talking here about a double entry system. What is the meaning of double entry? In each transaction, simultaneously two things will happen. Simultaneously two things will happen. What are two things over here? What are two accounts are over here? Number one, cash, and number two, Ram. Remember always, in each and every business transaction, you will find two accounts happening together. Here, one thing is cash, another thing is Ram. In your mind, it may comes, आपके दिमाग में हो सकता है ये क्या है सर, यहाँ received भी तो है. तो my dear, received is not even, it is a verb. You will say, sir, from is also given. So from is a preposition. So these things are not matter. The matter here is number one cash and number two Ram. These two things are important over here. Now next, Ram. Ram is which account? Personal or real? Is it a name? Yes, it is a name. So that's why it will come under which account? Personal account. Ram. And what is the rule of personal? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So here, cash received from Ram. We are receiving. We are business. We are receiving cash from Ram. So who is Ram? Ram is a receiver or giver? Tell me. Ram is a giver. He is a giver. And what to do to the giver? Credit. हम giver को क्या करेंगे? Credit. One concept is clear. Now another thing is cash. Cash is which account out of personal and real? So cash is real. Why cash is real? Why cash can't be personal? Because cash is not a name. That's why it can't be personal. Cash is our assets. It is real account. And what is the rule of real? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So here cash is coming or going? Cash is coming to us. Debit what comes in. And the things which comes, here cash is coming. Cash is coming. And the things which come to us is to be debited. आपको यहाँ एक चीज ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी. We will not think from Ram point of view. आपको Ram point of view नहीं सोचना है. हम ये काम किसकी पुस्तकों में कर रहे हैं, किसकी बुक में कर रहे हैं? हम बिजनेस हैं, हमारी बुक्स में कर रहे हैं. हमारे पास क्या हो रहा है, हम उसको देखेंगे. हमारे पास कैश आ रहा है और उसको देने वाला कौन है? राम है. कैश रियल अकाउंट, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. एंड राम पर्सनल अकाउंट, डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर. तो राम इज गिवर, क्रेडिट. तो हाउ टू राइट? इट इज इन जर्नल एंट्री फॉर्मेट. लेट अस सी. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट, इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म DR, डेबिट. अब इसके सेंटर में से लेंगे नीचे. कोई चीज क्रेडिट में लिखने के लिए वी विल यूज द वर्ड टू. टू क्रेडिट किसको करना है? राम को. टू राम्स अकाउंट. जब भी नाम के साथ अकाउंट लगाएंगे तो अपोस्ट्रोफिस यूज किया जाएगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, हियर आई एम नॉट यूजिंग अपोस्ट्रोफिस. Here I am directly writing cash account debit to Rams. Whenever name comes, you are going to use apostrophes. So to Ram account. This is debit side and this is credit. It is a journal entry. What is the amount? I am getting 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Cash account debit to Ram account. This is debit and this is credit. In order to do the credit, we will not use the word credit. To itself mention that it is credit. Now after passing this transaction, one more thing is to be done. Here we are going to write a narration of this entry. Narration. What is the meaning of narration over here? Narration means a brief of this entry. What this entry tells us. And this brief we will pick up from here. Cash. I will write over here. Being cash received from Ram. That's all. Being cash received from Ram. This is narration, and in each entry, this narration is essential. It is known as an entry. इसको हम एक entry कहते हैं. इसको हम एक entry कहते हैं. और हर entry के बाद क्या लिखना जरूरी है? Narration का लिखना जरूरी है. इस नरेशन को आप कहां से पिकअप कर सकते हो? इस बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन से पिकअप कर सकते हो। तो दिस इज वन एग्जांपल. लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल, वन मोर एंट्री. Now second, cash paid to Mohan. Cash paid to Mohan rupees 1 lakh. Cash paid to Mohan rupees 1 lakh. Again it is a business transaction. I told in order to pass a journal entry, first let us find two things over here. So can you tell me what are two things over here? Number one, cash, and another thing is Mohan. Two things are over here. Now let us find out their account, which account they belongs to. Number one, Mohan. Mohan is which account? I think personal. It is personal. And cash is real because it is our assets. Why Mohan is personal? Because it is a name. Now cash paid to Mohan. We are paying cash to Mohan. तो Mohan is receiver or giver? Tell me. Mohan को हमने कैश दिया है, तो Mohan receiver है या giver है? I think Mohan is receiver. बिकॉज हम पैसा मोहन को दे रहे हैं, तो मोहन को पैसा मिला ना, तो हमने इसीलिए मोहन को क्या करेंगे? ही इज अ रिसीवर. तो हम मोहन को क्या करेंगे? डेबिट. और अगर क्रेडिट पार्ट से सोचना है, अगर मोहन का अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया तो इट्स ऑटोमेटिक अंडरस्टूड दैट इट विल बी क्रेडिट, क्योंकि और कोई चीज बचती नहीं है हमारे पास, तो दूसरी चीज अपने आप ही क्या हो जाएगी? क्रेडिट हो जाएगी. लॉजिकली लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कैश इज व्हिच अकाउंट? रियल. What is the rule of real? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. तो here cash is coming or going? Cash जा रहा है, आ रहा है. Cash जा रहा है. Cash is going. Credit with what goes out. तो हम कैश को क्या करेंगे? क्रेडिट करेंगे. मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ, मुझे राम के हिसाब से नहीं मोहन के हिसाब से नहीं सोचना, मुझे मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचना है. बिकॉज आई एम बिजनेस, आई एम पासिंग एंट्री इन माई बुक्स. तो here what to be debit? Mohan. He is the receiver. Mohan account debit, and for credit I am going to use the word to. What is to be credit? Cash. So to cash account. How much cash I am paying? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Mohan account debit to cash account. Why Mohan debit? Because Mohan is personal account. Now narration again I will write with the help of this transaction. Being cash paid to Mohan. Narration is over. That's all. This is another example of transaction. Thank you.